caught back up. You got to see these bad boys, haven't you?
Which one's this? Another gray bat?
Another gray bat.
That's awesome.
This guy's got some parasites on him, see?
Okay, yeah, I do see those.
Alright, time to go. Come on.
Awesome.
But I don't know, can you see like the little splat?
Little spots. Mm-hmm.
So that's just like a little bit of damage, but very, very mild.
Awesome.
But she had babies this year. So that's awesome too.
Huh.
And gave her a little bracelet.
43?
Yeah.
Cool.
So then there's that like free foot thing I told you about. So like the wing attaches at the ankle. So their foot just looks kind of big and like dangles there.
Gotcha.
And then their claw has like a little... That's a good example.
What kind
She's
of
got
say this was?
She's got kind of like dirt in it or something. This is a gray bat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for explaining that.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my.
What does that indicate?
He's got
That's just an old injury.
Oh,
But
okay.
he's totally missing part of his
Yeah.
like, finger.
Yeah, like just part of his
He's got-
bone is just gone.
Oh, wow.
Should be out
Okay.
there.
What a badass.
Wow.
Should take a photo, brother.